As alternative currencies grow more and more popular, it's becoming easier than ever to purchase physical products using a digital wallet. The automotive sector is one of many industries starting to accept cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin in exchange for goods. It can often be far more practical to use cryptocurrency to buy your dream exotic car, especially when the purchase involves complicated cross-border transactions. But sadly, not all brands are as welcoming of this futuristic wave of digital tokens. So in today's video, we'll be breaking down the top companies you can buy a supercar from using Bitcoin. And I can almost guarantee you have not heard of the second option. So stick around till the end. This is going to be one banger of a video. If you like cars or Bitcoin, you're definitely going to be interested in what I'm presenting today. And the first brand on our list is Karma Automotive. This reincarnation of Henrik Fisker's luxury electric car maker is based out of Irvine, California. And they offer a growing lineup of ultra-modern sedans for the environmentally conscious buyer. Their cars use reclaimed materials and efficient powertrains to promote a clean lifestyle that matches the clean exterior body. Their halo model is the Rivero, a 500 horsepower saloon that's essentially an updated version of the now defunct Fisker Karma. It integrates solar panels, hand-painted badges, and chrome accents into its jaw-dropping design, making it a tempting competitor to rivals like the BMW i8 and Porsche Panamera e-Hybrid. The starting price is around $130,000 US. But if customers prefer using a different currency to purchase their Karma, the upstart made an exciting announcement during Shanghai International Blockchain Week that their flagship location in California is now accepting Bitcoin payments. The press release published in October 2019 highlights this groundbreaking introduction, with a statement from CEO Dr. Lance Zhu. He said, "We are opening our platform to serve as a test bed to help convert theoretical blockchain applications to practical use." The brand says this decision will improve their VIP customer treatment, as well as enhance the company's appearance as an emerging high-tech incubator. For car enthusiasts who prefer a more performance-oriented approach, the Mosquito Supercar can be a great Bitcoin buy. It's offered by a Czech Republic-based motorsport tuning garage called Performance Solutions. They have years of experience in rally racing and on-track competitions, all of which has culminated in their first production model introduced in early 2019. The Mosquito is named after a British fighter plane and features enough wings and fins to fly around any circuit at record speed. It's powered by a 600 horsepower, naturally aspirated V8 engine, and is projected to accelerate from 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds, thanks to the low 2,100-pound curb weight and carbon fiber tub chassis. Performance Solutions created this concept with the dream of one day using it to compete in Le Mans, but says it will also be legalized for road use. 18 cars will be produced and sold when the model is finalized in 2021, and will offer a direct alternative to the more well-known Brabham BT62. Boutique supercar brands always charge a premium for such exclusive and finely tuned exotics, and Performance Solutions is no different. The Mosquito is estimated to have a price tag of around $1.3 million, and online articles suggest the company will also accept Bitcoin in exchange for this ultra-rare track beast. At current value, that equals roughly 90 Bitcoins for the car, but by the time it comes out, who knows what the rates could be. If you purchased Bitcoin back in 2015, you could have got that amount for less than $30,000. But if you want something a little more comfortable or mainstream than the Mosquito, there are plenty of options out there to buy used cars with Bitcoin. Online marketplaces such as BitCars and AutoCoin Cars offer almost a third-party purchasing service, where you can shop through hundreds of listings before selecting the perfect car. The marketplace then accepts a digital payment via your preferred altcoin and sends the seller normal cash to have the car purchased and shipped to the Bitcoin buyer. It sounds like a pretty complicated system, but from the perspective of a crypto customer, it's actually far simpler than the traditional dealer experience. Speaking of the dealer experience, plenty of luxury exotic outlets across the world have recognized the demand and begun accepting crypto for their cars. An Oklahoma auto group called Bob Moore announced they take all kinds of payment, from Bitcoin to Litecoin and even Ethereum. Their network of locations sells a massive variety of new cars, including brands like Ford, GMC, Jaguar, Audi, and Porsche. Starting in September of 2018, a Texas-based dealer known as Post Oak Motor Cars made the decision to take Bitcoin as well, in return for their uber-luxurious inventory of Rolls-Royce, Bentleys, and Bugattis. BMW dealers in particular have become a class leader when it comes to crypto acceptance. The German automaker has an entire section of their site discussing the benefits of broader blockchain technologies, citing a variety of situations it could be beneficial to use in the industry, and noting that the full potential of blockchain will be maximized by autonomous cars. A growing list of their dealers are also accepting Bitcoin payments through BitPay. Finally, it's time to discuss that car manufacturer we all know and love most, Tesla Motors. It's the go-to car for any luxury buyer wanting a piece of that electric-powered pie. Since the brand is considered one of the most innovative and tech-focused of all automakers, they attract plenty of customers who prefer to pay with Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. While the California-based manufacturer doesn't currently have a method to process alternative payments, plenty of fans have found workarounds to get their hands on a Model S or Roadster using Bitcoin. In addition, it was recently reported that 3 Bitcoin ATMs were installed at the Tesla Gigafactory in Nevada, leading many to believe that the company could be far more receptive to crypto in the near future. While these technologies have the potential for countless applications in the future, right now the acceptance of cryptocurrency in the automotive industry is still pretty rare. For a select few companies, it may act as an integral part of their core business structure, but it seems that for most, it's more like a publicity stunt than an actual service offered. Do you own any Bitcoin, or are you just a fan of supercars on the bleeding edge of futuristic technology? Let me know down in the comment section below, and hey, if you like affordable exotics and niche car brands, check out my playlist on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.